This door, however, right here, does play a little bit of a history. It is the sound effects in the Haunted Mansion of the sliding wall. That was the closest I could get to the sliding wall effect. The back bathroom was utilized some. The shower actually made for a good sound effect. Now, it's a newer shower head, but the way that the old shower would come down and hit the tile, I love the sound of. It doesn't sound as strong anymore, but you can hear it in the Snow White storybook recording and also in the Haunted Mansion. When it would fall, it would also echo, as you can hear in the room. It's very small and it would echo a lot. And that is how this bathroom was utilized. Basically, every single inch of the house was part of a production in some way or another.